Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to send photo or video as a documents in your WhatsApp on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now check the list is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then tap update to update WhatsApp. After that, close the App Store and launch Photo app and select the image that you want to send. After selecting the image, we have to tap on arrow, scroll and tap on Save to Files, and select on my iPhone and tap on Save. Close the Photo app and launch WhatsApp. After launching the WhatsApp, tap on plus button, tap on document. Now select the image that you want to send as a document and tap send. That's it. Hopefully friends, this video is helpful for you, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.